Alright, this is the video for your colored pencil blending still life. So for this video I am going to be drawing this vase, simple glass vase, and what I'm kind of focusing on are the highlights and the lowlights using your colored pencils as value. I will start using a pencil for just for sketching. Once it's done, I'm done getting the rough outline for that shape, all the value is going to be done with colored pencil. So start by trying to get as close as you can. I usually start at the top and work on that top ellipse, and from there I will start doing the rest of my drawing. Alright, now that I have the basic shape, and there's some parts that are a little off, but what we're looking at is how does the light hit these shapes to make them form, again using a colored pencil. So for me, as from my perspective, I see these little bumps at least have a highlight here, and then on this side, because I have some different lights coming down, highlights on this side as well. So really, I'll be putting my yellow down for my lightest value, and I'll be transitioning through my greens, and then I will be actually adding some purple to push that value even darker. So if you remember from your color blending worksheet, it's okay to overlap your colors, and that actually helps create greater depth if you can do that. So I'm going to start by putting my yellow on the outside edge here. And I will be coloring over a lot of this yellow, but I want it as a base. And I usually start with my lightest values first. This one's maybe easier more. These edges are a little easier. Once I have that yellow down, transition down to, I'll start with my light green. So going right on top of that yellow. Do a little blending, and I'm going right down to that line because I'm going to cover up this light green with my dark green. Take my dark green, and this will get a little bit closer to that edge, and also help define those lines a little bit better now using your green instead of your pencil. Because the vase curves underneath, I know that it should be a little bit darker on the bottom to push that down. Coloring right on top of that light green. And if I want to push that value a little bit more, purple again, your violet, is your darkest value. So I can, some of those deeper crevasses, I can add a little bit of purple, push that back. If you want to add a little bit more color, orange is slightly darker than yellow, so I'll sneak a little orange in there. It might help push and pull the value as well. So I'm going to work on completing this, and I will show you the final product. final project, the image, I have just a simple line. We're really just focusing on the value on how to define form. I did throw down a shadow, a cast shadow from the vase, just to kind of better define the form. All right, thank you.